Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update the firmware on your 8BitDo Pro 3 controller. First, you need to download the update tool. Go to the 8BitDo support site. Look for the latest version of the 8BitDo Ultimate Software v2. Download it to your computer and install it just like any other program. Once installed, open the software. Next, take your controller and connect it to your computer using a USB-C cable. In most cases, the software will detect the controller automatically once it is plugged in. If the controller does not appear in the software, you will need to enter update mode manually. To do this, press and hold the L1 or 1 and start buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the LED light on the controller start blinking red. This blinking light means the controller is now in update mode and ready for the firmware process. Now go back to the updater software on your computer. You should see your controller listed. Click on the update button. The software will begin installing the latest firmware. Do not disconnect the controller during this step. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100% and the software confirms the update is complete. Once finished, you can safely disconnect your controller. Your firmware is now updated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.